This is our Sand and Sea Elastic Bracelet Kit. What I love about this kit is that it has a variety of different gemstones, crystals, and matte glass. And then it has a little seashell charm hanging off the bottom. So for this project, you can do it like I've done here, where this one is long. This is about 30 inches long, and I can wear it as a long necklace, or I can wrap this 4 times and make it a stacking bracelet. So I prefer to wear it like this, and then I have the option of it being a bracelet or a necklace. You can do the same, or you can do 4 separate bracelets and stack them, or give them away, or wear it as a necklace, whatever you would prefer. So our kit comes with 2 meters of elastic cord. It has the shell charm, a large hole Amazonite bead so that when you tie the knot at the end in the elastic, you can hide it with this large hole bead, and then also a bag of mixed beads. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, which you will need to supply. So you're going to want to take your elastic, and you're going to want to cut about 40 inches of elastic so that you have plenty to make your necklace / bracelet. And then you want to pre-stretch your cord. So just grab it all the way through and just give it a tug. Make sure that it all gets stretched out really well. If not, it'll stretch out when you're wearing it. And that's no fun to have to restring it later on. Okay, so once you've got it stretched out really well, then you want to go ahead and string your beads on. So for this project, I am gonna do this in no particular order. I'm just gonna kind of string it on with whatever looks good beside one another. I kind of prefer doing a mix of the different sizes and the different colors, and I really like mixing the rondelle shapes with the rounds. So I feel like I might be getting towards the middle of my bracelet, so I'm going to go ahead and string on my shell charm. So once you think like you might have enough beads, then you want to hold this end very tightly with one hand so you don't drop all of your beads. And then you want to wrap this around your wrist and see if the size is right. So for me, I could either take some off and have this wrap 3 times, or I could go ahead and string it some more so that it will wrap 4 times. So I want it to wrap 4 times, so I'm going to keep going. So I'm just going to keep stringing on both sides to make it longer. All right, so now that I've made it a little bit longer, I'm gonna do the same thing and see if I can get it around 4 times now. So there's 1, 2, 3, and there's 4. And so there's a little bit of space, but that's what I'm gonna want because the other 3 are tight. So I think that's gonna be perfect. I might even add 1 more bead on either side just for good measure. And then I'm gonna grab my large hole bead. I'm gonna go ahead and string that on. And then pull all the beads tight, make sure everything's nice and tight and there's no loose spaces in there. And then I'm just gonna do a knot at the end. Just like that. And flip it. And I'm gonna do 4, maybe 5 knots. I'm gonna pull it very tight. Cut it with the scissors. I'm gonna just slip that knot into the large hole bead so that you can't see it. And then I can wear this as a stacked bracelet, or I can wear it as a long necklace, and it's perfect for the summer. You can find this kit at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.